What is this? Yes, it's a grill for the Capri. Looks like a Mark II grill, but doesn't cost 100 quid. Only costs £4.99. So, it's beautiful. Really is nice. Get a closer look on that here. Craftsmanship. Yeah. 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 Yeah, it's alright. I like it. Put it on later and yeah, it should be good. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Well, just gonna try this now. Yeah, might be alright, that. Yeah, well, I'll put it on, see what it's like. Well, I absolutely hate it. I don't know if it's for a Mark 1 or what. It's too short. You can see the brackets down there. I know it's not on properly, but I'll shut the bonnet properly a minute. Yeah, it looks a little bit better, but I don't know. Maybe if I cut those tabs off the bottom, brought it down a bit, but see what it's like, I guess. I'll try that. Well, chuck some black on it. Actually, it looks alright. What I'm going to do is just mask up along here and then just spray it. See? I don't know why it's so short. But yeah, I think it looks alright actually. Yeah. As soon as I get rid of those gold bits, it'll look pretty good, I think. Custom. Oh yeah. Yes. Well, it's too cold, so I'm going home now anyway, so yep.